Hello, thank you for calling. My name is Brando. How are you today? Hello? Bobo. Ay! Thank you for calling. My name is Brando. Have a great day. I mean, you will have a great day because I will help you today, okay? Okay, first, may I know you? May I know your name? For me to make this right, I would like to spell it out for you, okay? Is that Q for cucumber? O for OMG? And I for Eiffel Tower. Okay, correct me if I'm right. I mean, I'm wrong. Okay, are you connected to the internet ba? So while you're connecting to the internet, can you hold me? Can you hold for me? Opo, of course. I will definitely be right back. So for that, kindly stay in line. Stay in the line. Stay on the line. Thank you for patiently waiting. Are you connected to the internet na? Okay, is there anything else that you want to check on me? Sige, no problem. Okay, if there's nothing else, I hope you enjoy the rest of your days. If that's okay with you.